Hello children, today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of carbon compounds. So let us see, we have seen the physical properties of carbon compounds like it is hard in nature, it has the catenation capacity, and it has the tetravalency, all these physical properties. Now let us see what are the chemical properties of carbon compounds. Combustion. Carbon compounds burn in oxygen. The combustion, the name itself says that carbon compounds burn in the presence of oxygen to form water, carbon dioxide, heat, as well as light or the products that are formed. So when carbon is reacted with oxygen or marsh gas, that is methane reacted with oxygen or alcohol reacted with oxygen, the products formed are carbon dioxide, heat, light, as well as water. Coming to the second type of reactions, those are called as oxidation reactions. So the carbon compounds like alcohols, which contain the functional groups OH. See, the ethanol contains OH as the functional group, or oxidized to carboxylic acids on heating. So when alcohols on the oxidation reaction, it forms acids with oxidizing agents, but it happens only in the presence of oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. Potassium permanganate formula is KMnO4, whereas acidified dichromate formula is K2Cr2O7, and it forms ethanoic acid. Ethanol, the formula is C2H5OH. Eth means two carbons, and ethanoic acid is our acetic acid. Common name is acetic acid, and it forms ethanoic acid. So the alcohols OH group will be converted to COOH groups. Alcohols will be converted to acids, carboxylic acids, in the presence of oxidizing agents such as uh, alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7, that is dichromate, potassium dichromate. This is regarding the oxidation reactions, combustion reactions and oxidation reactions. Now let us see the type of reaction. They are addition reactions. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons is which contains double bonds or triple bonds are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. They undergo addition reaction with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. In the presence of a catalyst. What is meant by a catalyst? A catalyst is a substance which do not undergo do not undergo in the reaction, but it differs the rate of the reaction. That is called as a catalyst. Here our catalyst is nickel or palladium. So if you take ethene, unsaturated carbon compound. Ethene means double bonded compound. That is ethene, in the presence of hydrogen, it forms ethane. So alkenes are converted to alkanes. This is alkene and this is alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons on addition reaction in the presence of catalyst, it forms alkanes. This is the third type of reaction. And the addition of hydrogen also, whether it is nickel or palladium catalyst, the addition of hydrogen to unsaturated hydrocarbons to form saturated hydrocarbons is called as hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. This hydrogenation you can use to convert unsaturated oils and fats to saturated oils and fats. That means this is used to prepare our daily oils as well as dalda, ghee. This process is used. That is hydrogenation reaction, and it is also called as addition reaction. Ethanes, alkenes are converted to alkanes in the presence of a catalyst. Catalyst is a substance which do not undergo any process in the reaction, but it alters the rate of the reaction or it differs the rate of the reaction. That is called as a catalyst. Here our catalyst is either nickel or palladium. Next is a substitution reaction. So the name itself says that the substitution reaction, that means only saturated hydrocarbons, only alkanes undergo substitution reaction with halogens. So what are halogens? The seventh group elements are called as halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine are called as halogens to form substitution products. For example, if you take methane, methane undergoes substitution reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. So this reaction, remember, it takes place only in the presence of sunlight. So methane in the presence of sunlight and chlorine, it forms monochloromethane plus HCl. And this monochloromethane, if you react with chlorine again, and this hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, and it is dichloromethane. And this dichloromethane, if you react with chlorine again, it forms chloroform. Our chloroform, CHCl3 is the formula. And this chloroform, if you react with chlorine again, it forms carbon tetrachloride as the final product. This is a substitution reaction, and it undergoes only in the presence of sunlight. So these are the reactions which we can study under chemical properties. First one is combustion reaction, oxidation reaction, addition reactions, and substitution reactions. Thank you.